किधर हो? I've been trying to call you.
Where? Call me where?
SIM पे.
Yaar, don't call me on the SIM. I don't get the calls. My SIM doesn't work. I still haven't gotten it PTA approved.
Yeah, PTA proof कराओ.
Problem is, I really don't want to go stand in the long queues after my work. तुम्हें पता है मेरा काम कितना crazy है.
हाँ, but what long queues?
The ones at the office?
Alina, did you know they have a WhatsApp feature? You can just text them.
Really? Can you show me?
Yeah. So I'll also forward you the number.
Yeah.
You can just text them hi, and then you can let them. They'll give you a menu right
Yeah.
after.
Uh-huh.
You can select the service. So in case mein you have to register your mobile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I just click on the option.
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
the instructions.
हाँ.
Follow it, and that's.
और इसके बाद बस वो step by step वाला thing.
Yep.
Oh, that's really nice. That helps a lot. I think I'm just gonna do. Can you send me the number?
Yeah.
Oh, this makes life so simpler.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm gonna text them right now. I need to tell my sister about this as well.
Yeah.
My mom
Yeah,
would be
everyone.
so happy about it. This is such a lifesaver, man.